I'm Dr. Troy Ryan with Kambeitz Chiropractic. Today I want to talk a little bit about the Pro Adjuster, which is a technology recently introduced to the clinic to adjust the spine. So compared to the traditional chiropractic manipulation or adjustment, this is an alternative. Some patients can be a little bit apprehensive or worried about being adjusted with traditional chiropractic. So this is a great method to use for those patients that might be concerned or worried. So patients would be sitting here in the upright position with this style of adjusting. There's no turning, there's no twisting, there's no sudden movements like you would have with a traditional adjustment. Hands would go right here on both sides. The patient's face would be placed right here. I'd use this, this is the Pro Adjuster sensor inside here. It's a very sophisticated sensor that can measure and detect subluxations in the spine. Simply by placing this instrument on each vertebrae in the spine, the sensor can pick up which levels of the spine are restricted in motion or fixated. That information appears here on the screen, and I can determine which areas of the spine I'll be adjusting for that day. Just by selecting which vertebrae will be adjusted. I go back to those specific vertebrae that I've selected and I can adjust the spine accordingly. This instrument does utilize an oscillating force. The instrument taps 12 taps per second, and the machine, the computer itself, will turn off as soon as that vertebra is moving the way that it's supposed to be moving. And then I would continue on to the next vertebra to adjust that segment of the spine as well. This method of adjusting is great for our pediatric patients and even our geriatric patients, but really all of our patients benefit from this style of adjusting, especially the patients that are in a lot of acute pain. Thank you so much for watching this brief video clip. If you'd like to make a comment, please feel free to do so, and I hope you learned something today.